Hello everyone, welcome to Water Bliss. My name is Shilpa Rajesh. Last weekend I attended the GoPro 2021 by Eric Worre and that got me thinking, which I just wanted to share with everyone. बचपन से हमें सबको हमने सबने सुना है कीप डूइंग योर हार्ड वर्क एंड इट विल बी पेड ऑफ. हार्ड वर्क हम सब करते 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 बट what we also need is to do a smart work, because when we only do our hard work and we keep doing it, and then when we do not achieve the results that we want in the way that we want, what happens? हम धीरे धीरे डीमोटिवेट होकर हम उस चीज़ को क्विट करने का सोचना शुरू करते हैं. मुझे लगता है कि जब ये थॉट आता है जब क्विट करने का, वी नीड टू फर्स्ट थिंक अबाउट द रीज़न वाई वी स्टार्टेड. Because there is always a reason when we start doing something, there is always an emotion behind it. So when we have that reason, then we should not be getting into the thought of quitting. Instead, what we need to do is again look for a better way, because I feel there is always a better way of doing things. So at that moment, take a pause. It's okay to take a pause, sit back, analyze, gather your thoughts, and then we will be able to get back and do things in a better way. Because जब हम हमारे when we sit back with our thoughts, हमें बहुत सारे options दिखते हैं. We can do that by any means, whatever that suits us. Go through trainings, go to readings, motivational readings कर लीजिए, whatever helps you in whatever profession that you are. When you do that and then when you start, तब हम as a fresher नहीं शुरू करते हैं. Then we are starting it with all that experience that we had, along with the new learning that we have now, which will surely help us to do things in a better way and achieve the results faster in the way that we want. So my learning on this weekend was also that this should be done time and again, wherein we should regularly take a pause, take a breaks, just the way we plan our breaks, plan our vacations with our friends, families, weekends plan करते हैं. Why not once in a while हम एक break plan करें हमारे लिए, to see how we are doing, how we want to improve, how we want to upgrade our skills. Because each time when we upgrade our skills, it helps us to do things better. So take regular breaks with yourself. One weekend just stay back with yourself. I'm sure it will help us to get our results and see ourselves where you want to see yourself, in whatever that you are doing. Yeah. So yes, that last weekend was different for me, wherein 3 nights we were awake, not partying out, not being out, but just being awake the entire night with getting new learnings done, lot of knowledge gathered, which will surely help me to get my things in a better way in the long run. That's happening now. And yes, during that training also, during the nights we were awake, but during the day it helped me, kept me charged up, because I wanted to get my things done. एंड एब्सोल्युटली येस, जहाँ हमारे रेगुलर एक्टिविटीज़ जिनको हम ड्यूरिंग द डे हम उसको अवॉइड नहीं कर पाते हैं, तो वो तो हो ही रहा था, बट आई वॉज एबल टू डू इट बिकॉज ऑफ all that motivation that I got during those trainings. So yes, I have committed, I have promised myself that these regular trainings, upskilling my skills, will happen for me regularly, which will help me achieve my goals, my targets in life in better way each time I go through such sessions. I'm sure this thought will also get you thinking and help you planning such activities for yourself, which will in the long run help all of you as well to see yourself where you want to see, and feel proud of yourself for whatever you have achieved in life. Thank you so much.